Mr. B.K. Chaturvedi ji, Honorable Member, Planning Commission, Government of India, Mr. R.P. Andoria, DGRD and Special Secretary, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Mr. Hubert Nove, World Bank Operations Advisor, India, Mr. Dr. V.K. Yadav, President, Indian Roads Congress, Mr. N.K. Sinha, Chairman, IRF India Chapter, Ms. Sybil Rupert, Director General, IRF Geneva Program Center, Mr. Rajpal Arora, Secretary, IRF India Chapter, distinguished delegates, invitees, ladies and gentlemen. Road safety is a serious concern globally for all nations, as more than 1.3 million people are dying violently every year in road crashes. About 80 to 90% of the total fatality is in the less developed countries, where the vehicle ownership is far lower than the developed world. Yet the poor road infrastructure and traffic indiscipline brings a huge loss in every such less developed country, amounting to as much as 2 to 3% of their GDPs, which these countries can ill afford. It also works as a retarder for development of these nations. All the achievements realized under the Millennium Development Goals are largely overshadowed by this man-made calamity, which is worse than a natural disaster or an epidemic. To address this global crisis, the United Nations Road Safety Collaboration was established as a follow-up to the General Assembly Resolution 58/289 of April 2004. Most of the time, road traffic death and injuries remain almost invisible to the society at large, since these are scattered all over the country. The lack of visibility of road traffic injuries and deaths has a direct bearing on lack of political will to recognize, accept, and address this problem. This in turn leads to lack of political priority and therefore leading to lack of resources and reluctance to take ownership of the issue by the concerned government departments and authorities. The economic loss to the nations, particularly even in India, is the mind-boggling 100,000 crores every year, which is about 24 billion US dollars. The world loses almost 500 billion US dollars on road accident and fatalities, which is more than the budget of 10 poor nations in this world. Being seized of this human tragedy across the globe and more prominently in the economically derived nations, United Nations has adopted a resolution 64/255 in the General Assembly in March 2010 to make collective efforts to contain this menace, with the objective of reducing the forecast level of road deaths in 2020 by 50%. The UN has launched globally a decade of action for road safety plan 2011-2020 on 11th of May this year. The UN urges all governments to commit to attain the goals of decade of action by implementing an action plan designed to address the 5 pillars of road safety. That is, build management capacity, influence road design and network management, influence vehicle safety designs, influence road user behavior, improve post-crash care. The government should accordingly establish 2020 targets for improved road safety. The road fatalities in India are one of the highest, with more than 130,000 deaths and about 5 lakh injured grievously every year. Thus, 10% of worldwide deaths are in India, with 2 to 3% of the motor vehicles in the world. When an air accident takes place, you see the news for rest 1 week in the entire media, be it electronic or print. In case of roads, 10 Jambus crash every single day in this world, with 0 survivors. Yet, you hardly see the news or hear it. Through global collaborations, we have the tools and knowledge to undertake this challenge. A political will is required to implement the series of actions as per the recommendations of the Decade of Action Plan and as per its requirements. Through the work of UN Road Safety Collaboration, the International Road Federation, the World Bank's Global Road Safety Facility, and the Global Road Safety Partnership, there is already a road safety community poised. The trend of road traffic accidents, which is an epidemic on wheels, needs to be immediately reversed to make sustainable achievement and development possible, and also to manage the high growth of our economy. The 6th IRF Regional Conference is being organized on a very specific theme: Road Safety Strategy in India, Action Plan. It's meant for detailed deliberations amongst the experts and delegates to arrive at the most appropriate strategy and action plan that needs to be adopted for India, in India, for implementation during the Decade of Action. The concurrent activity of Inter-Traffic India exhibition, jointly organized by IRF India chapter and Amsterdam RAI, which will showcase the latest internationally available traffic technologies in more than 120 stalls, presenting and demonstrating the innovations, will also promote safety in development of road and traffic systems. Number of initiatives have been taken in the country, in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, which were mentioned by our friend from the World Bank. We are grateful to the World Bank for the assistance and support they are giving in this area. We have to continue these more vigorously in the entire gambit of road network that we create. Ministry of Road Transport has been now very supportive and have taken a number of decisions in this regard. We came out in April 2010 with a circular giving out detailed road safety requirements which must be taken while designing and making a road. However, their implementation needs to be further ensured. I appeal to the leadership to resolve today that we shall do our utmost by using latest technology to bring in safer transportation in the country. We will do everything humanly possible to achieve the target set forth in the Decade of Action Plan of reducing road accidents and road fatalities by 50% by the end of 2020 in India. And for this, we will come out, besides the action plan, with an accountability agenda. Whatever is to be done and whatever is planned to be done must be accounted for, and people must be made responsible to achieve those targets. Only then and then road safety will come in the country. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, I appeal to all of you to at least by yourself take all initiatives for road safety when you are driving. Let's start from our own homes first and then continue with the deliberations elsewhere. Thank you. Jai Hind.